Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and export your products from your Shopify store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up our Shopify store if you have not already. So if you do not already have it opened up, just go to shopify.com right here and open it up. If you have not already logged into your Shopify store, in the upper right corner, you are going to go and be able to see the option to go and sign up for an account if you need one, or just go ahead and log into an existing one. So after logging in, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From here, we can get started accessing all the options we have for managing our store, and right here on the left side of the screen we can find all the sections we can access, and one of them is going to be called products. This is what we can go ahead and use to go ahead and export our products. So we're going to click on the product section right here. This is going to open up this new menu from where we can get started taking a look at all the products we have in our store. So right here, as you can see, we can take a look at the products we have, and if we want to export them, all we have to do is just go right here into the upper right corner and find the export button. By clicking the export button, this is going to enable you to export if you want only the current page or all the products that you have, and you to choose what you want to export it as a CSV file for Excel or a plain CSV file. Once you have chosen, just click export products, and this is going to go ahead and download the file on your computer. Then you can go ahead and then use for setting up different stores using in Excel and so on, and that is how to go ahead and export your products. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.